Hey, Wowzers! Summer is here, and you know what that means. Time for ice cream, slushies, and all things cold and delicious. But have you ever taken a big bite of ice cream and suddenly felt like your brain was going to explode? Yep, we're talking about brain freeze. So why do we get brain freeze? Let's dive into the chilly science behind it. First off, what exactly is brain freeze? Also known as an ice cream headache. Brain freeze happens when something cold touches the roof of your mouth, also called the palate. This sudden chill causes blood vessels in the area to constrict and then rapidly dilate. It's like your blood vessels are doing a crazy summer dance, and trust me, it's not the fun kind. When these blood vessels expand, they trigger the trigeminal nerve, which is responsible for sensations in your face. This nerve sends a quick SOS to your brain saying, "Hey, something's really cold down here." Your brain, trying to be helpful, interprets this signal as pain, and voila! You get that sharp, stabbing headache known as brain freeze. Now, why does this happen so fast? The mouth and throat are super sensitive areas with lots of nerves and blood vessels. When something cold hits, the temperature change is almost immediate, causing a quick reaction. It's like your mouth has its own little weather system, and it just got hit by a sudden cold front. But here's the big question. How can you avoid brain freeze? Well, the simplest way is to slow down. Instead of devouring your ice cream like it's a race, take smaller bites or sips and let them warm up in your mouth before swallowing. Think of it as savoring every moment of your summer treat. If you're already in the icy grip of brain freeze, here's a quick tip to make it go away faster. Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This helps warm up the area and can stop the headache in its tracks. You can also drink some warm water to speed up the warming process. Who knew your tongue could be such a hero? And here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that brain freeze is more common in the summer? That's because we're more likely to indulge in cold treats when it's hot outside. So next time you're cooling off with a frosty snack, remember these tips to keep brain freeze at bay and enjoy your summer fun headache-free. Let's get a bit more into the science, shall we? The rapid constriction and dilation of blood vessels in the palate that cause brain freeze are actually the body's defense mechanism to protect the brain from temperature fluctuations. The dilation of these vessels increases blood flow to the brain, which could help warm it up quickly if it were to get too cold. Interestingly, not everyone experiences brain freeze to the same extent. Some people are more sensitive to the changes in temperature, making them more prone to these sudden headaches. Researchers believe this sensitivity may be linked to genetic factors that influence nerve response and blood vessel behavior. Did you also know that brain freeze can provide insights into migraines? That's right. Scientists study brain freeze because the mechanisms behind it can be similar to those that trigger migraines. By understanding brain freeze, researchers hope to uncover new treatments for migraine sufferers. And here's something really cool. Brain freeze isn't just a human thing. Animals can experience it too. When dogs eat something cold too quickly, they might also experience a sudden headache, although they can't tell us about it in words. So, next time you see your dog enjoying some ice cream, make sure they take it slow too. Before we wrap up, let's tackle a myth. Some people think brain freeze is caused by ice touching your brain. Nope. Your brain is well protected inside your skull. The pain from brain freeze is actually a referred pain, meaning the pain you feel in your forehead is coming from signals in your mouth. Your brain is just trying to make sense of these confusing signals. So, there you have it. Brain freeze is just your body's way of reacting to sudden cold temperatures in your mouth. It might be a pain, but now you know the cool science behind it. Thanks for joining us on Daily Wowzer. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our daily dose of wonder. Stay cool and stay curious, Wowzers.